Mga sir, naka yung chicken wing ang order. Akin yung bong, pang-float na order. Salamat sir. Ito, mga sir.
My heart just freezes. You're so perfect and I mean it. It's so easy to love you. Easy to love you. It's so easy to love you.
Hoy, taling dato ta sa sita ka ulit yun? Lagi pa.
1 hour later.
Para daw mahal to sa delivery. Ang sato mga sir? Juice. Chicken joy. Coke float. Spaghetti. Mura na. Sige, mga sir, naka yung order. Puryo. Mga sir. Yung tapo.
A few moments later.
With that, tubig please.
A few minutes later.
With that. What? Sa po sir? Apa mo chicken joy? Ay, iya po sir?
A few moments later.
Mga sir, naka yung chicken wing ang order. Akin yung pong, pang-float na order. Salamat sir.
A few moments later.
Waiter! Oh, naman. Bilang mo ba yan? Comer, gismel, 14. Cinco mil, 10,000, 14.